Good evening. Emmanuel Pulator, is it?
That's correct, Brian.
Okay, Mr. Pulator. Now...
Oh, no, Brian. Brian, please call me Manny.
Manipulator?
Yes, manipulator, Brian, that's correct.
Right. And what do you do, Manny?
I'm an editor at Time magazine.
Ah, yes, Manny. Now, what is time?
Time?
Yes, time.
Well, it's the fourth dimension, Brian, you see, so you got the...
No, Manny. I meant the website.
Oh, the website?
Yes.
Yes, it's a news and current affair outlet that's highly respected and prides itself on maintaining high journalistic standards, Brian. That's what it is.
Very good, Manny. Now, you were an editor on the article Cell Phone Cancer Link Seen in Rat Study, correct?
That's correct, Brian.
What was this article about?
Well, you see, Brian, we reported on the latest research that seemed to suggest there is in fact a link between mobile phone usage and brain cancer, and with the prevalence of mobile phones today, we thought this was very important for us to report on.
Mm-hmm. And so did the study find a link between mobile phone usage and brain cancer in humans?
Oh, no, Brian, it was in rats.
Rats?
Yes, Brian, some of the rats got brain cancer.
But how do you know that would happen in humans?
Oh, well, we don't know that yet, Brian, but I'm sure someone will figure that out soon enough.
Right. Now, you said in your article this was an important study.
Oh, yes, Brian, very important.
Was this study peer-reviewed?
Peer-reviewed?
Yes.
Oh, well, no, Brian.
Shouldn't it be?
Well, ideally, you'd like it to be peer-reviewed, but we thought the information was just so important we couldn't wait for scientific review and rigour.
Now, what happened to the control in the study?
The control died early on in the experiment, Brian.
Well, how can you do any meaningful comparisons? The control group died earlier than the experimental group.
Well, you see, Brian, the important thing is that the control died, so that's all we worried about in our review.
Okay. Now, to your credit, it includes some more reputable studies that conflicted with these findings.
Oh, yes, Brian, like I said, us here at Time are dedicated to maintaining very high journalistic standards.
But why are these studies so far down in the article?
Well, what do you mean, Brian?
Well, they only mention at the very end of the article, which will make it less likely for readers to simply read the title and the first paragraph to read them at all.
No, Brian, you don't understand. Us here at Time understand that our readers want to read the full story so they can get the full story.
Well, how do you know that?
I just assumed it, Brian.
Like all the assumptions in this important study?
Precisely.
Right. Now, your article's title implied a definitive link, but with regards to the study, the results seem to be quite inconsistent.
Well, what makes you say that, Brian?
Well, the link was only seen in rats exposed to the lower 1.5 and 3 watt per kilogram GSM radio frequencies, but rats exposed to the higher 6 watt per kilogram actually showed reduced incidence of malignant gliomas and cardiac schwannomas.
What do you mean, Brian?
Also, the two different frequencies contradict each other with links seen in CDMA radio frequencies, but not in this GSM radio frequencies.
Can you go back to that first bit again, Brian?
Did you think it was not worth reporting on the findings and limitations in the study that conflicted with the article's basic premise, or did you just want a clickbait title?
Right, you know what, yeah, I'm just going to call our science editor that we have at Time. So just give me a second here, Brian. Yeah, Davo. Yeah, I'm at this interview thing and the bloke just won't shut up about radio frequency and Sharapovas or something or other. Do you know what he's talking about? No, of course I didn't read the actual bloody thing. There's lots of big words and stuff.
Excuse me?
Yeah, just hold on a second. Yeah, so, you know, you read the thing, didn't you? What, you skim read it? No, of course that's not good enough.
Okay, we're running out of time.
Well, no, what do you mean?
Thanks for coming.
Well, what do you mean? I don't know what a bloody freaking radio is. I use my iPhone for music.
Mr. Pulator.
Wait, what?
Thanks for your time.
Oh, yes, Brian. Yes, that's alright. I'm happy to join your interview. That's right. Thank you. Jesus, all this science talk's giving me a headache.
Okay, might be your phone.
Let's not jump to conclusions now, Brian.